Oh, here we go.
Back on, that's annoying. Wait.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for major flooding for the Snohomish River near Monroe and for the Skykomish River near Gold Bar. To repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for major flooding on the Snohomish River near Monroe and the Skykomish River near Gold Bar. For more information, monitor your weather radio or your local news source.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching this upload. You can find the link to my latest upload in the description, as well as links to my Twitter page, Instagram page, and SoundCloud page. Below that you can find links to my latest EAS video, my latest siren video, my latest DJ video, and my latest vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys during the next upload.